Hi everyone and welcome back. So today we're going to be adding another routine to our evening routine, and that is going to bed at a decent hour. So I find that if I go to bed at the same time every day and then I wake up at the same time every day, it's like my body just feels better. I don't feel run down. I have plenty of energy to really do what I need to do. And I don't know, it just works. So for me, my good bedtime is about 10 o'clock. That's going to really change for you and how many hours of sleep your body needs. I know I need a lot. I'm not sure why. I noticed that I do. So we're going to be writing that down as part of our evening routine. And I know I've been extremely productive today, and hopefully you have too. So tomorrow for me is the weekly home blessing. So that's gonna be another big day. I'm not gonna record that one for you guys. I will eventually record it again, but not tomorrow. I I'm gonna try, since my husband's here, I'm gonna try to keep him out of my videos as much as possible. Just because, so I might be doing that weekly home blessing, maybe not all at once, and it might be different times during the day. So yeah. Tomorrow, I know we're adding something really good tomorrow, but I forgot what it was. I do believe it is adding something to, I think, our morning routine. I'm not sure, but I do feel like it was the morning routine. So thank you so much for joining me today. And if you want to see what I did do, I finished some decluttering here inside of the bedroom because tomorrow, for me at least, tomorrow is starting in the living room. But if you want to see what I did, my voice is cracking. If you want to go and see what I did today, then if you want, you can actually check out the video that's going to be on the right. And I'll go and I'll make sure that you can see my decluttering video. And if you want to see when the next video comes out, go ahead and hit my face. It's going to probably be right there, I'm guessing. Go ahead and wherever my face is, go ahead and click on that and hit the bell notification icon. And that way you will be notified the next time that I have a video come out. So thank you so much, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.